அம்மா மியூட் லேப்டாப் கொண்டு வந்து அங்க வைக்கிறேன்.
Naren, turn off your microphone when you speak in the house. All are talking in Tamil and all can be heard. Please see to that again. If you want to talk to me, you can just turn on, okay? Other than that, don't do it. Thank you, Naren. Yeah, I'll have to wait for everybody. I'll have to wait because all have to join. Only 27 children are there. Good morning, Shama.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now listen. Good morning to all. Now many have been joined. Those who are joining in between, you have to just continue because I'm going to do textbook. Only 30 children have joined. Never mind. We'll just start. Otherwise, we won't have time. Okay, now I'll tell you which page number. Okay. Now listen. I want you to take page 10. Please take page 10, children. Page 10. Now, I want to make sure whether you're doing it. So I will just call. 1 minute. Now, I need Tanvi, Shaina. It's Shaina we stopped. Tanvi, I think I called you. No. Tanvi.
Ma'am?
Yes. Tanvi, when I call, please answer. Otherwise, I'll be thinking that you are not able to hear me. Tanvi, have you taken this page in your textbook, page number 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. You haven't written anything about the peacock, yes or no? You haven't written. No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you didn't write. No. Say yes or no. No. You didn't write. Okay. Now listen to me. Now I will read to you. You just see. Everybody must see. Write in the speech bubble one sentence about each. You have to create yourself some answer. You can do generally. Choose words from the box. You can use this help box and take any word. Now, just example. Please listen, children. Listen. I am a duck. And listen, excuse me, turn off your phone. Everybody. Now I cannot ask questions now because I want to teach you something. Now the duck's picture is there. I am a duck. And naturally, you know that not crawl, not gallop, no fly, no dance. A duck can swim. So the duck is telling itself, I can swim. Now we are just going to see the peacock. Now, I want Tanvi to answer me. What can a peacock do? A peacock can dash. From the help box, you tell me. A peacock can what?
Dance.
Dance. So 1 minute, child. You have to write, the peacock is talking. You can write in that black, I can dance. Please write, children. Everybody, I can dance. Don't talk in between. I will just tell you because this is a little bit confusing for you all. You have to write. You can do cursive. I, C-A-N, can, D-A-N-C-E, dance. I can dance. Now I want Arush Botra. Can you see the next animal just below the duck? Just below the duck. Arush? Arush? Yes? Arush, you're not there. Arush? No. Akhil Visruth. Akhil? Good morning, Akhil. What happened? No answer. Yes? Akhil? Alan?
Ma'am.
Yes, Alan, thank you. See, these children are not answering, so I'm thinking whether they are attending the class or not. Okay, Alan, good morning. How are you, Alan?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Can you see the animal just below the duck? Just
Yes.
below the duck. Tell me. Yes?
Honey,
Who's that talking to me?
me, principal.
Yes, ma'am.
Honey,
Ma'am?
many children are saying that they're not able to open the link, the math link, and now this link also.
Ma'am, English. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is no net, some problem here in the power and the net connection. Anyway, let us see. Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
If you
ma'am.
have a problem like that, you please tell me, then I will post the link
First
again
time.
because they are not
Okay,
able
ma'am.
to open the link that you are sending. Now, is
Okay,
Rohan Abraham in your class or the other class?
Who, ma'am?
Rohan is in grade 3, yeah?
Rogan is not in my class. Ma'am, I'll just see now. Now he's doing it. Okay, ma'am. We'll send the
what?
link. We'll send the link again. 1 minute, ma'am. It's already done, ma'am. English link.
English. This is an English class, huh?
Yeah, English
Many
class.
people are posting that they cannot get the link. But Rohan is in which class?
He is not in my class.
I think he was in your class last year, no? Rohan Abraham, Rohan
No,
George.
he was in third standard.
He's in
No,
third
must be
standard.
clearness. Yeah, third standard, ma'am.
Okay.
But only few 29 children joined, ma'am, now. Only 29 out of 41. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute. I'll just come back to you. Now, Alan, see that animal, Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what animal? I am a horse. The horse is telling, I am a horse. What can horse do? What can? Yes.
I can laugh.
1 minute. I can gallop. Very good. GALLOP. Now, all can write this. All must write. Okay. All must write this. All must write. Children, those who are joining, please just see the page number and continue. I can gallop. Now, next one is a small bird. And the bird is telling, I am a sparrow. I am a sparrow. I want Akhilan. Akhilan, are you there? Akhilan? Yes? No. Naren? Naren, are you there, Naren? Prajan?
Ma'am.
Yes, Naren.
I am Naren, ma'am.
Naren, good morning, Naren.
Good morning, ma'am.
Naren, I'm talking to Naren now. Okay, afterwards, I will talk to the next person. I am a sparrow. Only Naren must speak now. Naren. Now, can you help the sparrow? Yes, what can sparrow do, Naren? I'll help you.
I can fly.
I can fly. Sparrow can fly. So you have to write the full sentence. I can fly. I can fly. I-C-A-N. Slowly you can write. C-A-N-F-L-Y. I can fly. Yes. Now the next question goes to Prajan. Prajan, can you help me? Who's that? Prajan. Prajan, good morning. How are you, Prajan?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, what did you eat in the morning?
Dosa.
Very good, Prajan. You're very, very fresh. Now I can hear from your voice. Now, can you see the next animal down there? Just read that. What is it? Please read that sentence.
I
I
am a snake.
I am a snake. We are scared of you. Now, what can a snake do? Tell me from the crawl. See here, I can crawl. Those who joined little late, those who joined little late, please check all the answers. It should be in your textbook, okay? Don't worry, slowly you can do. Now, I am a duck. I can swim. I am a peacock. I can dance. I am a horse. I can gallop. I am a sparrow. I can fly. I am a snake. I can crawl. Now we'll go to the next one. 1 minute, children, 1 minute. Please take page number 13. 1-3, page number 13. Listen, page number 13, because you were not able to do this. I will help you. Now see the first one, not that, a writing skill, creative writing. You have to write using these words from the help box. Please take page 13. Now, let me ask you a question. Next person, Sachin S. Sachin S. Yes? Sanjay Krishna. Sachin, did you do the color the boat fun time?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Those who did not do,
Ma'am, I can do today.
okay, never mind, Sachin. When you're free, you can do all this, okay?
Okay,
Not
ma'am.
in a hurry. Thank you, Sachin. Now, I want
Thank
you
you,
to
ma'am.
listen. Now, all of you turn off your mic. Right. Look at the textbook, page number 13. You can write today's date, 4-8. Even that peacock, that picture, there you have to write 4-8. You just write here 4-8. Right. 2 sentences about each picture. 2 lines are given for you. Now the first one, somebody is doing something. I want Sanjay Krishna to tell me, just tell 1 sentence about that picture. Just imagine, yeah, you can use your father or my dad, my brother, anyone. Now just tell me, no problem. Yes.
It's very dirty.
Yeah, and your father is washing something.
Cleaning.
Cleaning. But the word is given washing car. So you can write 1 sentence. Okay, cleaning or washing. Just see, he said that car is very dirty. Father is washing. See the first one. You are helping. I am washing my father's car. Now general answer you can write. If test is given, you can write your own answer. My father is washing his car. I am helping him out. Anything. Now you just write, I am washing my father's car. So washing is come, car is come. Okay? Using this. Please write this. Yes. You can write your own sentence, no problem. It should be correct. That's all. I'm just giving you an example. You can write, my father is washing his car. You have to use washing and car. I am washing my father's car. My father's car. Okay. You can write. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay. Now, Sanjeevan, can you tell me 1 more sentence? You can just tell the color of the car or anything. Tell me. No, the car again, it's given. I'll tell you. Now listen, 1 minute. 1 minute. One 1 minute. Now, 1 minute. One sentence is enough because you are using, or you can tell the car is red in color. You can write, okay. 1 minute, Sanjeevan. You can write over there. The car is red in color. That's your choice. One sentence I gave. You can write one more sentence using this car. I'm watching my father's car. The car is red in color. I'm not writing. You can write. Any one sentence, your road. Okay. Okay. Don't worry about it now. You can do it. Next one is, now listen now. Next one. See, two friends. Two friends are sitting. Sri Mukilan, can you help me? What are they doing? Two friends. What are they doing? They're having a book in their hand. Sri Mukilan? Sri Mukilan? What happened? I think he didn't get the link or something. Sri Mukilan? Okay, now Tridip. Tridip?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tridip, can you tell me what are the two friends doing over there?
The two boys are sharing the book and reading the book, ma'am.
Reading. Okay, you can write your own. But see your friends, two friends are sharing. Now see here, the friends are sharing their snacks and reading their books. Okay, you can write this sentence. The friends are sharing their snacks. The friends are sharing their snacks. Slowly you can write. THE, you can write your own sentence. I'm just giving you one sentence using friends sharing. Please see, children. The THE, you can do cursive writing. The friends. FRIENDS, friends. The friends are ARE, are sharing. SHARING, sharing. Please see to the spelling of there. THEIR, THEIR, there. Snacks. As after this, 5 minutes before the class, I'll ask you to turn on your camera and I want to see everybody. The friends are sharing. THEIR, there. Snacks. SNACKS, snacks. Snacks. Now you completed that. Now I just want to check. Tridip, did you write that, Tridip?
Yes,
Tridip?
ma'am.
Now you can write, even the friends are sharing the storybook. They are reading. The friends are sharing the storybook. The friends are reading the storybook. Anything you can write, okay? Now see here. Now, please listen carefully. Take page number 18. Page number 18. Please take page number 18. 18. All of you take. Now let me see. Sai Vasavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with the page number 18? Communication skill. Did you see listening and speaking? Okay, 1 minute. Just above that, next to that girl, write today's date. Everybody, write today's date. 4-8. Don't do anything. 4-8. Excuse me, children. Slowly.
Of my life.
Sai, Vasavi, are you ready? Some disturbance behind Ma, TV or something, just switch it off and listen to me. Now, I'm just asking you to be ready and see the question. Your teacher will read out, 1 minute, read out some riddles. Circle the answer. I will read out the riddle. I want you to circle the answer. I will read out, you just see the answer is it is eyes or head. Now, to see an aeroplane as it flies, look up and open your dash. Now I want Jeff to tell me the answer. Jeff,
Yes, ma'am. I'm
tell me the answer. Look up and open your, which is the correct answer? You have to circle.
eyes.
Very good, Jeff. Look. Eyes. You have to circle eyes. Okay? Thank
Okay,
you. Thank you, Jeff. Now, next one is Niral. Niral, I will read, you listen. To smell a pansy or a rose flower's name, you sniff its smell with your dash. Which, tell me the correct answer and circle it. To smell a pansy or a rose, pansy and rose flowers, you sniff its smell with your dash. Tell me the answer, Niral. Tell me. Very good. Nose. See, when I call your name, only you must tell. Okay. Thank you. Others? Now, Niral. Yes. Now, 1 minute. Now, next question goes to Adonia. Adonia, sorry. Morning. Please turn off your mic, Niral. Adonia, come online. Morning, I called you. You came little late. I didn't know. Now, Adonia, please listen to the third question. You have to listen to the question I'm reading. When you walk across the street, you use two things you call your dash. When you walk, with what will you walk? Adonia, can you tell me the answer for that? Adonia? Yes, Adonia. Now, listen to this. When you walk across the street, you're going for a walk. You use two things you call your dash. You use two things you use. Tell me the answer, third one. Which one is the correct answer? Back or feet? Which is the answer?
Feet.
Very good, Adonia. Other children, please circle it, okay? Please circle it. Now, next one is for Akshara. Akshara. Yes, Akshara, when you say, yes, ma'am. Good morning, Akshara. Now listen to the fourth question. Just listen, okay? It is a beautiful song you have sung. Just look into your book. And I only listen. It's a beautiful song you have sung. You used your mouth and your dash. Tell me, yes, correct. Yes, very good. Sung. All others, please check. All others, please check. Now, talk to your partner. Wait, 1 minute. Ask what she or he likes to do at home on Sundays. Okay, you have to talk to, watch television, spend time with friends, help at home, sing, read. You have to talk to your partners. 1 minute. Now, page number 18. Talk to your partner. Ask. Now, That 1 minute, children. Whenever you have free time, you can have conversation. Now, 1 minute, I want Effie, can you tell me? You think I am your partner, okay? On Sunday, using these words, speak to me. You just tell me what you do. Watch television, spend time, help at home. You just use these words and talk to me, Effie. You can, yeah. What do you do on Sundays? Tell Effie.
I like to read a lot of storybooks.
Okay, storybooks. Use these words, okay? Use these words. Then, how do you spend time with your friends? Like you just speak to them over the phone or whatever it is. And what about singing, reading, helping your mother at home, watching the cartoon, all that? You just give me 2-3 sentences. Yes? If you are in school, at least I can make
help my parents to clean up the living room.
Yes. Now get ready, children. Special class time. I will ask you to speak about all this. Okay. Okay, children. Some children. Now we'll just go to the. Now, page number 18 down. You take writing skill, creative writing. See that tortoise and the deer. See, just imagine. What did the tortoise? Please write today's date, children. After writing. Just write today's date after writing. What did the tortoise and the deer say to each other when they first met? Complete. I'll help you to write the dialogue now. Because you're too small, and we'll give you different pictures and different story, and we'll make you write later when you come to school because you can't do it now. Now, are you? I think all are ready. Next person will be Fatima Mariam. Fatima, have you taken page number 18 writing skill? Fatima? Yes? Fatima, I'll just wait 1 second. Let me see. Fatima, are you there? I'll have to see afterwards. Fatima, 1 minute. Joshika Mary. Joshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Joshika. Now, I'm just going to read this, okay? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Hunters never, you have to complete that. I will help you. Hunters never. All can write this in your textbook. No place, just write below. Hunters never come so far into the forest. Slowly write, children. You just continue. Hunters, never there. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E. Don't say after me. You can write, Joshika. You can turn off your mic. I'm reading for everybody. 1 minute. I'm reading for everybody. Come. Hunters never, it's written there. Come so far. C-O-M-E. Come so far. S-O-F-A-R. So far. Into the forest. I-N-T-O-T-H-E. The forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. So that answer is like this. Don't be afraid. See the tortoise telling who? The deer. Don't be afraid. Hunters never come so far into the forest. So the deer is answering, I am safe now. You can write, I am safe now. Actually, you have to do it because it's online classes. You can't do like how you write in the classroom because we give you enough clue, enough time. asking one by one. So you will be able to do. So the deer is telling, I am safe now. Now let's see what will be the next one. Wait, I want Kanira. Can you just imagine the next question? Why don't you, Kanira? Yes. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, very good. Why don't you stay with us? Thank you, Kanira. See, if you read the story, you will know. Why don't you stay with us? Question mark. Others can write. Why don't you is already there. S-T-A-Y, stay. S-T-A-Y, stay with. W-I-T-H, with us. U-S, us. Why don't you stay with us? Yes. And the deer is telling, thank you. Now 1 minute, children. Deer is telling, thank you. I want you to take, now I hope everybody finished this. Now everyone must take page number. I'll tell you page number, what we did yesterday. Page number. Please take page number 17. 17. Already we have done in class yesterday. Page number 7. It's not on the screen. It's there in the recording. Yesterday's recording, it's there. And we have completed that. Those who are able to do, you have to do D, E, F, G. That's done already yesterday in class. And H. Those who can, you can just go back to the recording and do whenever you're free. It's not that you have to complete today. Whenever you're free, just complete that page, because yesterday I took English. We did that in class. So it's very easy, children. See that page number 17. You can use all this. Don't be afraid. We just circle frightened. So you can do that. The deer was trapped. Instead of that, we circled another meaning of it, caught. Like that, you can go to the recording and you can do that. Otherwise, when ma'am has time, I will do it. Don't worry about it. If you have any other work, don't do it. Okay, children? Now, don't go. I just want to read today's special class children, their names. Samantha, Sweetie. Anyway, I'll send the link. Shashwata, Shamma, Shaina, Tanvi, Arush, Ahil, Alan, Akilan. These children must attend special class. You can take rest 15 minutes by 11:20. By 11:20, you can join the class. By 11:30, all must be here. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. 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 Thank you, ma'am.